Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat, and in today's video we are going to take a look at a new method to grow bougainvillea from cuttings. Though it's easy to root hardwood cuttings, we can also grow them from flowering branches. By doing this, we can avoid cutting thick branches. Let's take a look at the procedure step by step. Step number 1. Here I have collected few flowering branches. 8 to 10 inches long cuttings would be fine. Step number 2. For the medium, using normal garden soil, but we can also use sand for better result. Next, pre-wetting the soil. The size of the pot is 6 inch deeper and 6 inch wider. Step number 3. Let's prepare the cuttings. Please note, for better result, do all this either in spring or in summer. I did in December and I may not get 100% success result. Step number 4. Making few holes which are around 2 inches deep. Step number 5. Using rooting hormone powder. Instead of this, we can also use aloe vera gel. Step number 6. Insert near about 2 inches inside the soil. Step number 7. Press the soil gently to support the stems. Step number 8. If you like, you can also cut the flowers and very top part. If we do this, the stems are not going to waste their energy. After that, please keep the pot only under indirect sunlight. Did the same thing on this pot too. And I actually inserted many stems in this pot. Let's take a look at the updates. So guys, this is the result after 95 days. It took quite a long time as I did everything in December. As I have already informed you, please do either in spring or in summer to get better result much faster. Few stems are already growing well, as we can see. But there are other stems too which did not make it. Let's take a closer look. Seven cuttings don't have any roots, but remaining 6 cuttings looks fine. Let's take a look at the roots very quickly. Three cuttings have beautiful roots and other 3 have very tiny roots. Anyway, I already got 6 new plants without damaging any of my mother plants. Now just imagine how many plants we can get from a plant something like this, or even from a plant like this one. I believe the answer is going to be many. There are many ways to grow bougainvillea from cuttings. For example, on this video I have shown how to get 100% success result. Or even on this one I have shown the fastest method to grow bougainvillea from cuttings. In case you are interested in knowing more, please do check out my next video. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to gardening upbeat. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and enjoy.